implement. So you're gonna feel this, you're good right there. You're gonna feel this kind of go through the neck and maybe a little bit into that mid-back. If you feel that, that's okay. The cracks are usually not audible to the audience, but you're gonna kind of feel them through your body and potentially hear them. So I'm gonna do a little pre-test, just make sure that feels comfy to you. If that feels off in any way, then just let me know. We're not gonna go through that whole thing. So I like where your hands are at. We're gonna go ahead and lift up right there, good. And I'm gonna do a little pull. That felt okay right there? Awesome, so that's perfect. Nice and relaxed, let the head drop, I got you. How'd you feel that?